after watching it, your perspective will change completely because you'll see more clearly how love is the most important thing, and you will learn how to appreciate love and just look over the gender part, which should be the ultimate goal. Hi guys, this is Trishta and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a short review on Netflix's longest running original series, Orange is the New Black. This series was created by Jenji Kohan, and this is about the memoir of Piper Kerman and about her experience in a minimum security federal prison. It has a total of 7 seasons with 13 episodes, each having a time span of around 1 hour. It is Netflix's most watched and also the longest running series ever. And honestly, it took me about 1 month to complete it because I have a full-time job and I could only watch it during the weekends. And so I'll say that you won't be able to binge watch this at a stretch until and unless you're on a break. So the series revolves around Piper Chapman, who is in her early 30s and she is from New York City. So she was sentenced to 15 months in Litchfield Penitentiary, and she was convicted for transporting a suitcase full of drug money for her girlfriend Alex Boss, who was an international drug smuggler. But slowly you'll get to see the character story of many interesting characters, and to be honest, it was a dream fantasy moment because before this I have never come across a series with so many character backstory. I completely understand this might be a big commitment because honestly 7 seasons with 13 episodes each is a big deal, so I have come up with some reasons for you to figure out and come to a decision point whether or not you should watch the series. Okay, reason number 1 is that this series is a mixture of dark humor and drama with a lot of interesting characters and their intriguing flashback structure. And the most fascinating part is that each prisoner's story is so much different from the others. And since it's a character-driven series, so there is not much plot twist, but a lot of drama. Second reason will be that this series has won a lot of awards, including Primetime Emmys Award, People's Choice Award, Critics Award, and the Satellites Award. And there are many more. Throughout the years, it has won a lot of awards. And reason number 3 is that this series is extremely emotional at some parts and it might cause mental turmoil at your end. So this is not exactly a spoiler I'm talking about, but you're definitely gonna have your next dark moment in Orange is the New Black series. I totally cried for a whole day when one of the favorite character died, and she was so nice, and yeah, I was really sad for that one day. But I feel extra emotional series are always helpful because it kind of take out the sadness within you, and which is good in a way that you're getting to vent out all the negativity and sadness and anxiety within you. So there is your reason 3. Okay, so the 4th reason, I would not exactly call it a reason, but more like a fact, is that this series might look like it's a feminist series since it has so many female characters. It's very obvious to think like that, but that is not the case. It's more directed towards racism, and you'll definitely get to see Black Lives Matters movement in one of the episodes where the social welfare communities come forward to help a black inmate. So watching this series will make you realize that life is full of ups and downs, and there is no one particular villain in this series, and every prisoner and every guard, security guards, every warden has their villain moment as well as their heroic moment. But the genuine bad people that are shown in the series are the corporate people who are much more selfish than the actual criminals. Of course, that doesn't mean that the series has been glorifying the act of criminals. That is definitely not the case. Okay, so the 6th reason is there will be a lot of girl on girl action, guys, really to a different level, and I personally am not very comfortable. I'm not homophobic, I can assure you that I'm definitely not homophobic, and I have actually skipped those part, you know which part. So if you are not homophobic but you also are a bit uncomfortable with lesbian romance, then this is the series for you, because after watching it your perspective will change completely. because you'll see more clearly how love is the most important thing, and you will learn how to appreciate love and just look over the gender part, which should be the ultimate goal. So with this, we come to an end of my short review. Please let me know if you liked it and whether or not you'll be watching it. As for me, I totally recommend this, because although this might look like the series is all about drama, but for me, I think it has taught me about life from a different perspective. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, please do hit the like button and comment in the comment box about any suggestion you have or any movie you want me to review. I'll totally do that, promise. And thank you guys. See you soon. Bye bye.